for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.